Neil McEvoy, the Assembly Member for South Wales Central, with parents outside Coch, Ysgol Coch and Fitzalan School, observing the chaos really in Loreni Avenue. See the bus stop there with cars parked on it. The cars, they've been double parked. The buses have been unable to get around the roundabout further up. So Helen, you're a parent here. What do you make of all this?
Well, it's chaos most days, particularly when it's raining, then it's absolutely appalling. You can see illegal and dangerous parking every single day, which is a daily hazard, especially when you have children as young as 3 with preschool siblings being collected outside the school. Yeah. There's a lot of parking right now around.
Sorry to interrupt you. If we just pan round there, if you look at the zebra crossing, so you're going to have very young children expected to cross there, and they're parking on the zigzag. And it's very, very irresponsible driving, really. But it's like this every day, is it, Helen?
It's like this every day. This isn't even a particularly bad day. As I say, because the weather is quite warm and it's not raining, then presumably a few children will be going on foot instead of being collected in cars. But you can see now, with the number of older children crisscrossing the road, the amount of cars moving and moving off quickly once they've collected children. They're barely stopping in time at that pedestrian crossing, and this is with the 11 to 19-year-olds coming out of that school.
I'd like to stress though, that is a primary school. Ysgol Coch is primary, they're young children, and they have to come out of the school and enter this chaos really. I'm really surprised because you said Councillor Pwll, who is in charge of transport and so on and so forth, has refused parents' invitations to come down.
Yes, I did ask him to come down and have a look, and said I'd be very happy to meet him at any time he was coming down like himself in order to point out the specific problems, and unfortunately he said that he couldn't respond to requests from individual parents. It needed to be a more formal request from the school, which is a huge shame. Shocking. Because as you can see, these issues go on every day, and it's a pretty urgent situation really.
Right, okay. Councillor Pwll, I know you watch my videos, so get your backside down here, right, and look at the chaos. I'll be putting a question to council. I'll be writing to officials because this cannot go on seriously. There's an accident waiting to happen here. And Plaid Cymru, Cardiff Plaid, we have a policy of safer ways to school. So where there is a demand, like here for example, we will provide crossing people to make sure that our children are safe going and leaving school. Neil McEvoy, AM South Wales Central, with parents from Fitzalan and Coch. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.